What's going on, guys? Hey, it's Anthony with the Wrenched Out Garage. Thank you for tuning in, and we've got a whole slew of new parts coming to the RZR. So we're gonna start this video off with the first part we're gonna do an install on, and then we have a bunch of other parts coming out and videos and installs coming out pretty quick. This is our 2019 RZR 1000 XP 4-door. And before I dive into that, hey, make sure hit subscribe. Hit subscribe down below. It's early morning here, so let's start off with our first install. So the first thing that we're going to work on with this guy is something I find important, especially if you're carrying passengers in a 4-door. I'm not going to be obstructing the rear. I've got a rear windshield that we're going to be doing an install on as well, and here it is. It's 2877945, looks like that, and this is what comes in the box right here. So this guy is the center stack rear view mirror, and it looks like this. So here's your mount. It's going to mount to the tube right there that goes on the frame. And there it is. It's got a piece of plastic over the front. I'm going to leave that on there. But this way, when myself, my wife are driving, not only can we see behind us, but we can see our passengers in the back without having to look back all the time. This is available from Polaris. The link to this will be down below. So I'm going to get in the cab, throw this thing in, and we're going to get this thing done. All you're really going to need for this is, because they are thread lock bolts, you may need a small wrench for the back. I'm going to see, because they're thread lockers, and then a Phillips head screwdriver. Obviously, you're going to want to find the position where you want to install it, and we will go from there. So I'm going to jump in here. For this, I do want it center mounted, just like that, so we have a clear view of both the rear passengers and anybody that may be behind us. And you're gonna want to pop these out just like that, and then we're gonna put this right around the little bar here. All right, guys, and there we have it. So I'm gonna grab this camera, show you real quick what this thing fully looks like. So you can see, obviously it's right there. I did mess around with mounting it because I wasn't sure which way I wanted it. That's why you saw me moving it around. So let me show you more or less what it looks like. So there it is. Obviously you just mount it up to this frame. I used 12 mil on the back. Once I got it tight, now it's in there snug. Now obviously I've got quite a bit of view added. It is fairly large, so I'll probably move it up some when I go to do adjustments when I'm out riding the vehicle. Now, again, this to me is something that's important simply because I've got passengers, I've got stuff going on behind me, and the more or better view that I have of seeing everything is A, a lot safer, B, it's a lot easier, especially because you're accustomed to having that if you drive a car or truck. So again, thank you guys for tuning in. I am actually doing a lot of installs today here in the garage because I've got other projects going on and I've got to get this done. So make sure, hit subscribe if you're out riding or driving. Do it safely, and we'll see you in the next video.